Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. When it comes to pellet grills that are built for serious backyard cooking, the Traeger Grills Pro 34 continues to be one of the most recognized names in the category. With a massive 884 square inches of cooking space, an 18-pound pellet hopper, and the ability to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue all from one machine, this grill is designed to handle everything from weeknight dinners to large family gatherings. So, is this product really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why is it such a popular choice among outdoor cooking enthusiasts? Let's break it down. The first thing that stands out is the cooking capacity. The Traeger Pro 34 offers an impressive 884 square inches of total grilling area spread across two porcelain-coated cooking racks. In practical terms, that's enough space for up to 8 whole chickens, 7 racks of ribs, or around 40 burgers at the same time. Whether you're hosting a backyard cookout, preparing food for game day, or smoking multiple cuts of meat for a family event, this grill provides room to spare. Powering the grill is Traeger's wood pellet system. Instead of charcoal or propane, hardwood pellets feed automatically into the fire pot, helping maintain consistent temperatures while infusing food with authentic wood-fired flavor. The large 18-pound hopper capacity means fewer refills during long smoking sessions, making it especially useful for brisket, pork shoulder, ribs, and other low and slow barbecue favorites. Now let's talk temperature performance. The Pro 34 operates from its low smoke settings all the way up to a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That range allows you to smoke delicate foods at lower temperatures, roast poultry, bake pizzas, or crank up the heat for burgers and steaks. The digital controller helps maintain steady cooking temperatures, reducing the guesswork that often comes with traditional charcoal grills. Another feature many buyers appreciate is the included meat probe. Instead of constantly opening the lid and losing heat, you can monitor internal food temperatures directly while cooking. This helps deliver more accurate results and keeps your cooks on track whether you're preparing brisket, turkey, pork ribs, or chicken. What makes this grill particularly appealing is its versatility. Traeger calls it a 6-in-1 cooking system because it can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue. That means one machine can handle everything from smoked ribs and pulled pork to baked desserts and wood-fired pizzas. For many outdoor cooks, that versatility eliminates the need for multiple cooking appliances. Build quality is another highlight. The grill weighs approximately 136 pounds and features rugged all-terrain wheels that make it easier to move around patios, decks, and backyard spaces. The porcelain-coated grates are designed for easier cleanup, while the hopper cleanout system allows you to switch pellet flavors quickly when experimenting with different woods like hickory, apple, cherry, or mesquite. Looking at value, the Pro 34 has frequently been available in the $500 to $900 price range depending on promotions and retailers. Considering the huge cooking area, pellet-fed convenience, digital temperature control, and wood-fired flavor system, many buyers see it as a strong option for upgrading their outdoor cooking setup. So why is the Traeger Pro 34 such a popular choice? The answer comes down to simplicity and capacity. It combines the flavor advantages of traditional smoking with the convenience of automated pellet cooking. Large cooking space, consistent temperature control, versatile cooking options, and easy operation make it a grill that works for beginners and experienced pitmasters alike. If you're looking for a pellet grill capable of handling large gatherings while delivering authentic wood-fired flavor, the Traeger Pro 34 remains one of the most recognizable options in the pellet grilling world. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.